Welcome this video. Rustic gardening bed, a complete gas better gardening. Rustic gardening bed have become a popular choice gardening of all experience level, whether you are a seasoning gardening hub or just get starting. To benefit of rustic gardening bed are hard of increasing then often better solved controlling inside view weather and stick for plant water and hen. We explored everything you need to know about rustic gardening bed for plants for better to then and main entrance. A rustic gardening bed is simple to controllers area of scroll that sub about to gardening level often only by a frame made of wood, metal, stone or recycled material. Those bed can vary and high and size but gardening restrict 6 inch by 2 feet of a gardening this solved in rustic bed is dropping and cross give gardening complement center over is quality and contemporary benefit of rustic gardening bed. Salt quality. One of the great advertising touristic gardening bed is the about of controlling the salt in gardening, often solved from poor natural salt, but rustic gardening bed allow you to create the perfect. You can mix compost, original salt and tropical to sub your gardening need better. Rustic gardening bed more effect than traditional gardening. Read the rustic of root and other water. This is expiring benefit is rate with high rainfall of salt. Weak controlling convenient you are starting with fresh salt and even you are gardening above the surrounding gardening there are signification rate in week also the compact solved of a rustic gardening and make it so sub this the few week that appear gardening seasoning. They grow in rustic gardening bed warm in various in the solved and returned hard in the fall with the extent your growing seasoning. This means more time is growing vegetable, herb and flower. Aesthetic and space affect rustic gardening bed often a need original look and can to design be fit allowing and space including patio, rooftop and smart yard with various gardening plants can be maximize your gardening growth plants your rustic gardening bed before your bed or buy stick bed. It's essential to do to later growing. Location choose the side with the at 6 to later or sunlight per day.